Good morning, Year 10. I'm here today to talk to you about an incredible opportunity that we want to give you as a year group exclusive access to. And this opportunity has come about as the result of a report that was published by Penguin, which is a very well-regarded publishing house in the UK. And this report said that despite the fact that 34% of students in our country are Black, Asian or minority ethnic, only 0.7% of students, so less than 1% of students, will study a book by a writer of colour at GCSE. And this is obviously a problem, and Penguin set about trying to find different ways of trying to produce solutions to this problem. One of the things they did was speak to lots of writers about what they thought about this issue. And Bernardine Evaristo, who is the woman who won the Booker Prize in 2020 with her novel Girl, Woman, Other, said that literature is a curator of our imaginations and schools are the caretakers of young people's education. They are currently being denied access to the glorious, outstanding and often groundbreaking narratives coming out of Britain's Black and Asian communities. So why does it matter that young people are being denied these glorious narratives, as Bernardine Evaristo says? And they spoke to lots of young people in this report, and young people said things like, literature helps people to understand societies and themselves better. The questions of identity literature raises are of extreme importance, and studying others is key to studying yourselves. Literature is all about the representation of things. So the report also goes into what the barriers are to improving the diversity of our literature in schools. One of the things they found was that money was a big barrier. And another thing they found was that exam boards, so we study AQA at GCSE, have very little representation of writers of colour, and that is true of our exam board at GCSE. We're really lucky in the sense that we've got a fantastic library, and that resource is something that not many schools have in the way that we have it, and that library is full of fantastic and diverse literature. But what I did was I applied for some funding from Lit in Colour, and one of the things that they decided to do to try to combat this issue was to gift schools a huge collection of books. So there are around 100 novels and non-fiction texts as well, in order to improve schools' selection of books that students can read from writers of colour. And we were lucky enough to win that funding, and that collection has arrived in our school now. And what we've decided is that we would like you, Year 10, to have first access to that collection. It's an incredible selection of books. There's really genuinely is something for everybody there, and we want you to really think about what you might like to borrow from that collection. So what we've done is Miss McKeown in the library has produced this absolutely incredible brochure of all of the books that are in the collection, and tomorrow in your tutor time you will have a copy of this brochure that you can go through with your tutor, and in it you have a description of every single one of the books, and I'm going to set up an activity for you to go through each of the books and decide which ones you'd like to borrow. Then you're going to do an expression of interest with your tutor to let the library team know which book or books you might like to borrow yourself. And then on Friday, the collection's going to go live in the library, and you are the only year group that has been told about this collection ahead of time. So you really have the first opportunity to go in and choose one of these amazing new books that have been selected especially by Penguin for young people in schools. So please be involved in that session tomorrow. Make sure that you give your expressions of interest and get yourself to the library on Friday to go and select the book that you want to read. And we're going to do a bit of work with you over the coming months to get your feedback on those novels and that non-fiction writing, if that's what you choose. And then we'll take it from there with the collection and see what we can do with it. But it's a really, really exciting thing. We're incredibly lucky that we've got this resource, and we really, really want you as a year group to engage with it. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Malik, and I'd like to read the book Don't Touch My Hair by Emma Dabiri. I think the stigmatization around Afro-textured hair, especially being unprofessional, is quite interesting, and I think this book might delve into other people's opinions of it.
I chose Search Party by George the Poet because I've seen a few of his videos online, and I really I really like his integration of satire and wit and rhythm with serious topics like racism and classism, and I'm interested in seeing more of his work.